The Virginia Department of Transportation says it is closely monitoring the forecast ahead of this weekend's winter storm.
VDOT says crews, materials, and equipment are already out pre-treating your roads. New at 5. 10 on your sides. Nick Broadway joins us live with what you can expect if you have to drive.
Yeah, and even today, you can expect to see some crews on our interstates right now, pre-treating them, getting ahead of the potential snow and ice this upcoming weekend, prioritizing the routes that usually see the most traffic. They're covering our interstates, the 3 major connectors, and county roads just outside our metros. With snow in the forecast for this weekend, plow crews are doing dry runs while also getting brine mixtures on the pavement. This will help keep ice from forming, but they're prepared for the worst.
With snow, obviously, we can push the snow off the road. It's obviously much more difficult with frozen roadways. It's very, very hard to fight. We'll spread salt and abrasives, and that improves traction, and it also helps melt the snow or ice. But ultimately, it's going to be an ongoing battle for us over the next few days.
Starting on Saturday, VDOT is moving to 12-hour shifts, running a 24-hour operation. They will keep going until the roads are safe again.
We're prepared for the long haul, so however long it takes.
McBride is urging drivers to just stay off the roads when this winter storm hits. With the potential for ice, it's dangerous for any driver. Staying off the interstates also keeps crews safer.
It allows them to work, obviously, diligently, but it's also for their protection. Not even a 4-wheel drive truck should be driving on icy conditions.
If you must drive for essential work, slow down, keep extra driving distance, and give plow crews plenty of space. When there's a blanket of snow, the speed limit is not a speed goal. And a friendly reminder about bridges, they tend to freeze faster than roads that are on ground, so looks can be deceiving on those bridge decks. Be extra careful on those when the wintry conditions hit. Live by the downtown tunnel in Portsmouth, Nick Broadway, 10 on your side.